Are you tired of attending networking events and feeling lost in the crowd? Do you struggle to engage in meaningful conversations with potential business connections? Well, fear no more. In this video, we will unleash your networking skills and help you master the art of engaging connections. Networking is not just about handing out business cards or making small talk, it's about building authentic relationships that can benefit both parties. So, how can you do that? It all starts with a genuine interest in others. Take the time to listen and understand their needs. Next, it's important to provide value. Share your knowledge, expertise, or resources that can help others. Be generous and genuine in your interactions. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Another key aspect is being confident and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and display positive body language. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations and introduce yourself. When engaging in conversations, ask open-ended questions that encourage meaningful discussions. Show curiosity and actively listen to what others have to say. This will leave a lasting impression and make you stand out from the crowd. Don't forget to follow up. After the event, connect with your new contacts on LinkedIn or through email. Send personalized messages, reminding them of your conversation and expressing your interest in further collaboration. Lastly, keep expanding your network beyond events. Join professional organizations, attend workshops, or even volunteer for causes you care about. These activities provide excellent opportunities to meet like-minded individuals. Remember, networking is a skill that can be learned and improved upon. So, unleash your networking skills and master the art of engaging connections. Watch your opportunities grow and your network flourish. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and advice.